Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2020 GLS 450 4MATIC. This one's an iridium silver metallic. Under the hood is a 3-liter inline-six turbo with EcoBoost, pushing out 362 horsepower and 369 pounds of torque. We have front and rear LED daytime running lights. This one comes with 21-inch alloy wheels. Tires are in good condition. Illuminated running boards. A black MB text interior. Sunroof. In back we've got rear captain's chairs. Third row seating. Coming around back we've got our GLS 450 4MATIC badging. Power liftgate. A set of all-season floor mats and regular floor mats. Fold down third row seats. Plenty of space in the rear here. We've got rear climate controls, rear seat controls, Burmeister sound system, blind spot assist, keyless entry, heated and cooled seats, memory seats, nice wood trim, ambient lighting, power windows, illuminated door sill. Hopping in, you've got our new design touchpad steering wheel controls, paddle shifters for extra performance, push start ignition, navigation, a rear view backup camera. New to Mercedes-Benz is our MBUX artificial intelligence, which you can give it simple commands such as, "Hey my Mercedes." "Hey my Mercedes."
How may I help you?
"Turn ambient lights to blue."
Okay, I'm changing the color.
And as simple as that, you're able to give it a voice command and it will do so. Dual climate controls, a wireless charging station for your phone, USB ports, cup holders, our touchpad control for our infotainment center, dynamic selects for our different driving settings, our rear view camera, volume. This GLS has 4,637 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLS, check out feldmanimports.com.